Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new here. Today I have a try on haul styling video featuring HALARA. As you guys know, my obsession with HALARA runs deep. I have so many different videos on my channel featuring HALARA because I just really like their stuff. It's so cute, affordable because you can use code KELLYF, which will get you 20% off. A big shout out to them for sponsoring today's video. So I want to share with you what I picked up for this spring moving into summer. As soon as the weather gets nice, I'm outside like 24/7. I am walking, not 24/7. But I at least go for like an hour walk every day as soon as it gets nice out. I trade in those treadmill walks for outdoor walks. And I feel like, honestly, something that people don't talk about is finding the perfect walking short is so difficult. So when HALARA hit me up, I was like, I already know I'm going for the walking shorts. Like, I'm gonna find the perfect walking shorts because if anybody has it, it's HALARA. And let me tell you, they do. So I knew I would love these shorts so much. I already got them in 2 colors and I already know I need more. And that's the amazing thing about HALARA. Once you find the style you like, they come in a plethora of colors. Like, I don't know how they do it, but they're amazing. And another thing I will say is that they're like, the fabric and material is the same from color to color, which can't be said for a lot of brands. So I love that. The consistency with this brand, the sizing, all of that is amazing. So let's start with my favorite pair of new walking shorts. I know I'm gonna wear these all summer long. So I think I got everything. I'll have all my details and sizes down below. I think I got everything in like a small or a medium. I'm not sure. I'll have it down below. Don't worry. So check out the description box. But these shorts, there are a couple things I look for in walking shorts. First, I like that this has a cinched in waist and it also has the drawstring in the middle. The other key thing for me is I want spandex. Spandex, like the short built in underneath, is amazing for walking. Your thighs don't chafe together. If you know, you know. And it's just so soft and just comfortable. I don't know how to explain it. I love wearing spandex, but I hate wearing spandex just by themselves. Let's be real, walking as a female, no matter what time of day you walk, there's risks involved with walking outside by yourself, and that's what I like to do. Typically I will bring my dog, but if it's too hot, I can't. So I love the feel of spandex, but I don't want to be sitting there or standing there, walking there on the street with just spandex on, especially if it's a short, because I don't want a bunch of tan lines and it's hot, right? So I love that these have the layover, which is a key for me in my walking shorts. It's like it has to have a layover that goes over the top of the spandex. Has to have it. So these, yes, everything about them. I love the detail of this sort of mesh paneling. I just think it's cute, and it wraps all the way around the bum. Split like dolphin. I think this is called a dolphin hem, or dolphin, whatever it is. But these are perfection, like absolutely perfection. This is like the greeny, I think I got it in dark green, not sure. Coloring, again, all will be linked down below. But I love these so much that I got them in the blue. I typically tend to steer towards very neutral colors. That way I can mix and match tank tops or workout tops that you don't have to have an outfit to go together. So yes, I got them in this blue. I think this blue is just, can go with literally anything. Black, gray, whites, literally anything. It doesn't matter. Green, I don't care. I'm obsessed with this short fit is the key. And then if these 2 colors aren't your cup of tea, I'm telling you, they probably have 30 colors in these. They're amazing. I cannot say enough good things about these. And I'm gonna live in these all summer long, whether it's walking or whether it's going to the park with my son, whatever it is, I'm obsessed with those. And you'll see I paired those shorts with these little tops. Now I did get these in a medium and I kind of wish I got a small just because it's so hard for me to decide with workout tops that I can wear if it's too big, but I cannot wear it if it's too small. Like I will not. So I always go up when in doubt, but that's why these videos are helpful for you guys. I would say pick your true to size. You do not need to size up in this. It is so cute though. I like a more full coverage top. If it's gonna be open a little bit up on top, it needs to go and meet my bottoms, especially if I'm walking. So I either want a high neck and a little bit cropped or along with a little bit lower of a neckline. This is just super cute. I love the Racerback style and the cutout open in the back. It's coverage, like you feel covered, and it's got this seam that like holds the girls up, you know, but it's not too much. It's not too much coverage where you feel like you're suffocating or too hot. I'm obsessed with this top. Again, I knew I'd be obsessed with it, which is why I got it in white. Again, not see-through, does come with cup pads in there. I did remove them, but not see-through at all. It's double lined in the breast area, like you can't see. Even in the part where it's, or this is actually like triple lined. Even in this part, no issue at all. And it's mesh paneling in there as well, like in the cups, so super breathable. In love. Same Racerback detail. And then I wanted to get a couple more other like shorts that I could wear for like, how do I want to say this? Like I could wear for a walk, but I could also just wear like on a comfy day if I'm like outside but not necessarily performing athletic activities. And these were so cute. I love that sort of like, it's not paper bag, but that ruffle top at the waistline. This is a thick stretchy band, super cute. Love this. Would be super cute tucked into or with a workout tank like I just showed tucked in, or a t-shirt. I styled it with a gray t-shirt. Super cute. And I love these, again, that split hem. It's just really cute and flattering and girly. And it has the like scalloped look at the bottom as well. But this flap covers you, so you don't have to worry about sitting down and like your legs splitting open. Like it fully comes across, and then this is just a layover, which that detail is really important. So I love this color, and these are like buttery soft. You could sleep in these. These are like pajama feeling. They're so soft and so stretchy. All right, and if you can't tell, I love this color, so I wanted to pick them up in this as well, this style. These are so awesome. I guess I didn't look at these close enough on the site to know that they had spandex underneath, so I'm here for it. This band, when I got it out, I was like, oh girl, that is not gonna fit my waist. It's so tiny, like absolutely not. Stretches, so stretchy, so perfect though. It doesn't leave you like indented. It doesn't have a seam at the top. Perfect, just like their leggings. No seam at the top. Absolutely love that. Seamless fit. These are super nice. They have, like I said, the spandex underneath with a little pocket for your phone, and then they also have a pocket in the back as well for like lip gloss, a key, maybe your car keys if you're going to the park or something. I love these, and I love that they have the layer of it, and these are much more like sleek, I would say, than the running shorts I showed. I like both styles, but this is much more of like a sleek. These flatter you because they suck you into the waist and then kind of bow out just a little bit. Nothing where you're like, it looks like an A-line, but in the most flattering way possible. Obsessed. Okay. And if you live in Illinois, you know it's not always short weather, even in the summer, spring. Like yesterday was 80 and tomorrow is gonna be, I think, like a high of 62, which is like, it's nice, but you're not wearing shorts for a walk, especially when it's windy here. So I love joggers. They have a lot of like tight joggers, which are so cute, and I wear those a lot around this time of year as well, but I wanted something kind of a little bit looser. I don't know, just a little bit looser. And this I feel like you could wear as like a pant going out. I showed it styled with like a baseball cap, some sneakers, and denim jacket. It's so versatile. I love this ribbed material. Just a plain navy. I feel like you cannot go wrong with navy. It's a little bit softer than black. I just really like it. Tie aglet details down at the bottom in like a kind of like a gunmetal color. Elastic waist with the band. These hit perfectly on me. A lot of their pants, they offer petite as well, which is amazing, and they have pockets. So I absolutely love these and think these are gonna be a walking staple, but they're also gonna be just like a chill day / errands staple as well. These pants, little outside of my comfort zone, but I think they're so cute. And I think with Converse and this gray shirt that I showed you, I think it's a look. It's a really cute, super comfy. So it'd be a perfect outfit to wear like if you're going on like a road trip, long time, you have to sit in the car, or let's say you work from home and you just want something comfy that feels nice but looks at the end of the day cute. Like you could go run errands if you needed to. So cute. These are athleisure. Definitely not working out in these. They've got a smaller band at the top, but it does not dig in. Elastic waistband, no aglets on this one. I think that's nice because it looks a little less athletic. And these come out into a super wide leg, which I love. And then they have these giant pockets on the side, which are like so in right now. Very trendy. Love them with my high top Converse. And like I said, just a basic gray simple top. So yeah, that's everything that I picked up. Oh, know, I always do this. I always do this. I was just admiring my top and I was like, I always do this. This dress, you guys, I showed this, I think in my last one in navy, and I knew I needed it in black, and they released so many more colors. When I first ordered this, they only had like navy and like maybe 2 other colors. There's like 15 now. You need this. I need this in all the colors. I was wearing this out for my walk yesterday and Scott was like, are you going to the country club? And I'm like, no, but I'm glad I look rich enough to go to the country club. So cute. Maybe one day we will be country club members because that's Scott's dream in life. He loves to golf. But love the neckline of this, love the white and black. Like I want this in like a swimsuit. If you guys know of like this high neck zipper style in like a one-piece swimsuit, I need it. But this is a dress, perfect for golf, tennis. I wore it on a walk the other day because it does come with removable shorts, which hallelujah. I love removable shorts in my dresses so I can pee and I don't have to take the whole thing off. This is perfect for running errands, going to a bar, going anywhere. You look classy, you look cute, put a visor on, put some sunglasses on, and you look like Meredith Blake from Parent Trap. I am totally here for it. I will be living in this dress until further notice because it makes me feel super classy, but so freaking comfortable, like I'm wearing pajamas. So you guys need this dress. If you buy one thing, you need this dress and those running shorts. That aren't running shorts for me, they're walking shorts, but they're so good. I love you guys so much. I hope you enjoyed. A big thank you again to HALARA for partnering with me on today's video. I absolutely love them. Don't forget to check out the description box down below for all the further details. And if you want to save a little bit of extra money, which I know you do, use code KELLYF to save 20% off your order. I love you guys so much. I'll see you in my next video very soon.